Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily get and make use of Microsoft Office for free. And with Microsoft Office, I mean you can have access to applications like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Access, and many others. Alright, having said all that, let's dive into it. Welcome back. So all you have to do, go ahead and open your web browser. So in this case, I will use Google Chrome, as you can see right here. So this is Google Chrome. Go ahead and open a new tab, and then go ahead and type in office.com. It will bring you directly onto this page. So I will leave the link in the video description. So go ahead and check it out. Just tap on that link and it will bring you direct onto this page. So go ahead and tap on sign in. You can go ahead and sign in right here if you already have an account, or you can go ahead and sign up if you don't have a Microsoft account for the free version of Office. So I'll go ahead and sign in since I already have an account. So go ahead and tap on sign in. So there you go. Once you sign in, this will be the page that you will be able to see. So before we continue, I must say that Microsoft Office for free is the Microsoft Office online version, or it is the Microsoft Office on the web. Alright, so once you're here, this is the Microsoft Office online or on the web. So you can tap on the app launcher right here. And as you can see, you have you have access to all apps, as you can see right here, or you can go ahead and tap on this icon right here to access all the apps. There you go. So you have all the apps, and then they give you a brief description of each of those apps. So let me say you want to use maybe Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, mention but a few. If you want to launch any app, go ahead and tap on the plus icon, as you can see. So you can create a document, spreadsheet, presentation, and any of these right here. So go ahead and tap on document. So as you can see, this is my Word document right here. So you can go ahead and type in as you can see. So you can also go ahead and edit, as you can see right here. You can change the font. You can, make bold. You can underline. You can italicize. So whatever you want to do, you can do from here. As you can see, you have all these options right here. So you have file, home, insert, and all these options right here. So you can go ahead and edit whatever you want to edit, and then once you're done, your document will be saved to OneDrive, as you can see right here. However, you can go ahead and rename your document. Go ahead and tap on that, and then save your document right here. You can say maybe intro. And then go ahead and save it. And once you're done, you can go ahead and go back. So tap on home. And as you can see, this is my document that I've created right now. And these are some of the documents that I created earlier on. So you can open any of those. So there you go. So once I go back to home, as I said, you will have access to all the documents you've worked on, as you can see right here. And then you can also go ahead and pin and then share with your friends if that is what you want to do. And then the other interesting thing about this version, so let me say you had a document that you had earlier worked on and saved on your computer. So you can go ahead and upload and open the document and then make any changes as you may want to. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you were able to access this Microsoft Office version for free, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and if you're new to our YouTube channel, make it a point to subscribe. Tap that little notification bell so that you're notified whenever I release new videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.